Is that one I must bus? Funny bus I'm only on panty bus. Funny bus, I think him up funny bus. Yo, me I tell you, say it's all about Mr. Vegas live and direct in Palm Beach, July 4th. Yes, I say it's all about reggae Palm Beach. Yes, I say, yeah, I read white and booze, so you know, so the thing turn up loud. And me I say July 4th, citrus. Yes, I say, yeah, this, you know, so the thing mad of Mr. Vegas live and direct in concert. Yes, I say, hosted by Wally British. So the thing mad, Mr. Vegas, I got turn up the whole place. I know see blessing. You don't know, Father God blessing. Can't miss this, you know. Yeah, July 4th, Sunday, July 4th. Make certain you come down. Citrus. See? You don't know, say, yeah, that one I must bust.
I don't know where she's from. She says she's from Clarendon. Nobody don't know her. This is from Bull Bay, East Bull Bay. This is from Bull Bay. This is actually 9 Mile. I don't know where this young girl is from or whereabouts, anything at all. We're trying to assist her with the police station, and them saying that them say you're my husband's sister. All right, baby, I am. Them saying that she was there before.
Yardy Cashflow, ever gonna know my God that them gyal up on my fuck cock and I speak like a fat black. Big 45 and roam like a tourist, strike like a fire.
Relax and a skip up automatically, ying that way I fly through traffic or run and
my SouFLoTV audience, stick a pin. Before we go any further, I want you to go over to Yardy Cashflow on YouTube. Hit that link in the description or spell it out in the YouTube search engine and go support this brother channel. We say support for support, right? And this is a brother right here who is doing his own thing in music, but he has also been a very big supporter of my platform right here on SouFLoTV for years. You understand? So when somebody support you for years, we return the favor when we build a little platform and get something for ourselves. So big up to Yardy Cashflow, alright? And go over to his channel by clicking the link in the description or by just typing in Yardy Cashflow. Hit that subscribe button when you get over there. It don't cost you nothing. And tell him that SouFLoTV sent you. Check out the rest of his songs. Leave your comments and all that stuff. Alright?
Yardy Cashflow, ever gonna know my God that them gyal up on my fuck cock and I speak like a fat black. Big 45 and roam like a tourist, strike like a fire.
These police, them not really doing them job, you know. Alright, baby, them not do them job because woman I did them should be assisting this young girl. She look very, very young. She looks so nice and young, and she look like she just about to go, you know, crazy. She need help. Yeah. Please, because we don't know this girl. Nobody know this girl, and she just pop up and we either find it hard for a female just leave another female, or unless she wicked. So may I beg you to do, if anybody know her or know where she's from, please contact Bull Bay Police Station. What's her name, baby? What's her name? Alexandra. Session name Alexandra. Well, I guess they must call her Alex then. So if anybody know this young girl, please to contact 99 Police Station. Thank you very much.
The Uber Eats lady coming. She coming up the step. She bringing up. Oh. That.
Niggas are stupid.
That's what you do when you catch your bitch cheating.
I know that's right. To the second home, yo, and before you with the shit.
Now, this the shit you put up when you catch your bitch in the city with the next nigga, right? And I ain't even mad at the nigga, none of that. Tess, I still love you. Do your thing, but she out of here. You're done.
Ooh-wee.
Now, this the right shit to put on social media. And guess what? Some of this shit he bought. All of it he bought. Still got it. And I picked it up on the plane a little bit for you. Now, go and enjoy your vacation. Enjoy your vacation. Yo, okay, listen. It's on social media. Let's spend some time with your kids, though. I'm about to be like, damn, you this shit delivered to their kid. There she go. That's how you know who she live with. That's mine.
I like it.
I'm with that. Yo, I'm gonna put, stay where you at. Stay where you at.
them empty hallway, them empty hallway, them empty hallway, them empty hallway. It all started in that empty hallway. Ask if I'm gon' ride, I say always. In that hallway, I'm in that hallway right now. Gotta get this shit the hard way. Empty hallways, posted by the light on them dark days. Ask me how long I'm gon' ride, I say always. Gotta keep you on my side, you a part of me. Gotta keep that Nina strapped on me, that shit mandatory. Lost on young to the gun, that's another story. 16, switching lanes, riding with a 40. So much pain on his brain, addicted to the codeine. Remember he had court dreams, he was shooting at the spot. He got caught into the crowd, he was shooting at the eye. And it get crazy, this life get shady. He is mama baby, but she can't change him, cause he way too gone for a lesson. And he been on his own, he felt it since adolescence. Even though he ain't grown, his problems grown, he stressing. Grandma told him to pray, he hoping for a little blessing. His bro died, his pops cried, and he died. His mom's cried, he lost a lot to the street life. Whole time he was posted up by the street sign. He want that get back, he gon' put on the sleep now. His first murder, he cried, I could see it in his eye. That son inside just died.
Number 4, little Vybz with Give Thanks.
Give thanks for life today. Never money, so me you forget it right away.
One time, DJ Mega, one more time, bro.
Up to the time, it was Kartel representing for DJ Mega. That's all channels.
You can put the people that just believe right now.
We've come too far to
Believe in your dreams.
We've come too far to give up.
Believe it can meet.
Come too far to
Big up everybody. Oh, look how pleased he is. Yes. Jamaican flag of the helmet. I love my culture. I love my people. Brilliant.
Coming from a bad place, oh yeah. Tryna be a better me just for you. But it ain't easy, it's hard to get used to. Minding my own business, not my way.
Alright, my SouFLoTV audience, it's time to go lend your support again. Let me tell you the story behind this. So this is a 15-year-old songwriter, composer, producer, youth, artist. And this is his dream that he wants to pursue. And you know, I always tell my audience members, I say, wish good for others as much as you will wish good for yourself. Well, this is somebody's child. He's 15 years old, right? And I'm wishing good for him as much as I would wish good for my own child, because I have a child that's a musician. If y'all follow my channel closely, you will know my artist, who is T Viral. T Viral is young and he's doing a music thing, and I understand the struggle and the journey to accomplish this. And I'm supporting him, so I'm supporting somebody else's child as well. Click the link in the description. Click the link pinned in the comment section and go give this youth a chance. His name is Easy the Name. DZ the Name. DZ the Name. DZ the Name. DZ the Name. Thank you in advance.
Coming from a bad place, oh yeah. Tryna be a better me just for you. But it ain't easy, it's hard to get used to. Minding my own business, not my way.
Absolutely brilliant. Yes, give it the bolt. Jamaican flag on the lid, Jamaican flag on the car, the Jamaican sponsors as well. We know the whole of the Caribbean's watching.
nice and now you know. But don't worry, I got you. Do it my way like Fox News. Pick up every big bad man in the place with
Why would I want that? Why would I? You can't pay the rent. You have to hide from your landlord. Why would I want that life? Just for Mother's Day? Just for Mother's Day? Just for one day? Or just say Happy Mother's Day? Happy Father's Day? I hear what Mother's Day, may I sleep. May I take a Benadryl and just sleep it out. I'll just wait up the next day then. Alright, yeah, make it just pass me then. Cause nobody could hype me for one Mother's Day. Just two Mother's Day? Just two Father's Day? A lot of the people who are encouraging you and even look down for you about picnic, you're broke. You're homeless. Yeah, cook. You know, you didn't have a cook, right? And you wait on the pot for to go on and do his thing and whatnot. Listen.
My SouFLoTV audience, it's time to do another commercial again. This one is for my New York City people. And I'm talking about all 5 boroughs. Brooklyn, Bronx, Queens, Manhattan, Long and Staten Island. I'm talking to you. Are you tired of your floors, your wooden floors looking all torn up, looking all dull and faded? Do you want that glamorous shine? Well, you need to call Mr. G. Now, Mr. G is located in Queens, New York. So if you're in Queens, New York, you're closer to him. But Mr. G also said that no job is too near or too far. No job is too big or too small. Okay, so he can handle the distance. He will travel to you. Garfield Scarlett is the CEO of this company, and his cell phone number and his office number are listed right here. Or let me just say them out loud for you. 718-525-2640. 508-596-0867. His cell phone number is 508-596-0867. And his office number is 718-525-2640. Or you can reach him at Garfield_Scarlett@yahoo.com. This brother has over 15 years in experience in installation, in sanding, in staining, in ratcheting, in finishing. He does it all when it comes to your floors. And get this, he has a free estimates available. So call Mr. G right now and get your floors right now, and tell him SouFLoTV sent you. Back to our scheduled program.
But I know for me, I don't really like to voice my opinion on certain things we are going on in the media, you know. But Jesus Christ, man, Miss Kitty. Yo, I'm a swear to God. I don't know the woman, but I dislike her, you fuck. What a woman can cuss people, cuss man, cuss people who are not fortunate enough to have certain things. What a woman just so bitter and so blood clot, corrupt in her, not cuss more bad word. We're so corrupt. You understand? Me feel some Miss Kitty need to go back at the people then when she go get our law degree from her, take back every dollar can they rob her. Take back every single dollar, Miss Kitty. You waste some money. I go to law school. You hear me tell you, you waste every fucking penny. Cause me don't know nobody in this fucking world. Right now, this minute will take you as a representative for them in a court of law. There is nobody, first of all, you're on your podcast, right? And 99% of people do not agree with you. You think say you're going to go in at the court of law and the judge agree with you and let your client off? No, a jail send send people. If you on a podcast and nobody not agree with you, all you expect to represent somebody in a court of law, you need to go get back your money and stop cheating for the people that blow up. Because for people who supposed to have people, they can fit inside, they should know how to set your argument. You understand? You should know how to set your argument. You not set your argument correct, so nobody not agree with you with not the way you say, not the way you say at all. Me don't know nobody agree unless them shallow and them think like you. You understand? And then look dumb on black, not black people, but poor people like you do. You ever say this woman, I beg your money, and she asks you, oh, you not have no penny. What's so hard? What's so bad? No woman asking you, Oh, you not have no pitney. Oh, you not have no pitney yet because you're wicked. Me tell you say everything, all your personality show in your face and your nose. You understand? Everything show upon you. The wickedness of you show in your face and in your character. Me not call you ugly, you know. I'm not calling you ugly. Because nobody, the child of God, is ugly. Nobody is ugly. But the way how you represent yourself, it make people want to call you that. You understand what I say? It make people want to call you ugly. You understand? You're too fucking... No, I'm not supposed to cuss somebody. But let's get it... Do something with that, my girl. May I tell you the God even truth. Me hate for comment on them thing, yeah? But just do something with that. Here. Me not like you carry on. Not harass. Me not like you every day you get up on your cuss, man. You want to feed. If a man there with you and then I want to marry there, I give them food in a file paper, I give them food in a paper pail. Which man I go take you out? Tell me, which man I go really find you like Jano, I'm a dream girl, that which man? Which man? Bumba clan, yo. Me not like her a pussy clan. Me not know the woman. I don't know nothing about Miss Kitty. But all I know for what she represents or what she put out there, I don't fucking like her. People might say the same thing about me. They don't like me a blow. You understand what I say? But something about Miss Kitty just not right. That woman they too bitter virgin. That woman they too bitter. She bitter against everybody. And because I'm out so like, you know the people in our office, where in our podcast, they disagree with her, but them not gonna say nothing. Them not gonna say nothing because she loud and vulgar and I mean my vulgar, you know. But she very loud and vulgar and her voice is loud and obnoxious. You see that shit, me hear her talk, me hurry and skip it. I just show me a cook on my food, my hand in a curry. Make me know, I me hear what she say, me I'll come for this and say something. What a woman bumbuckle. What a woman bitter virgin. The woman bitter tabo. Nothing wrong with having, but something wrong with the ovaries. That's why. Something wrong with you. That's why God not bless you with no pitney. Pitney is a blessing. And you don't get blessed with not even one, not even a miscarriage. You don't get blessed with something right now, something. You never meant you're meant for their own life. And then everybody give her a compliment. Oh, she well educated. Oh, she do this, she do that. Educate my bumble class. She copy of people blood clot book at test time. You could have never well educated and everybody blood clot disagree with you, so. Sorry, me a cuss bad one, I give a fuck. You know what I mean? Everybody disagree with you, so. All you people are well educated and everybody in this world disagree with you. You know when they play a T5 people them book. Me used to T5 book too. Me used to copy of a people paper too. Me not gonna lie, I used to copy too. Oh A, B. Me used to copy too. I copy man. There's no blood clot where you supposed to be a bright lady and everybody you supposed to be a liar. Everybody disagree with you. Come correct my girl. Me not say nobody in the right mind will have you as a representative for them in a court of law. Not a blood clot. Not a ras. We want you blood clot represent me. If me know you represent me, know me I go lose the case. Me know say that done this so cause the judge know your character. Soon as you come in front of you, all them are gonna take you serious. What judge, jury, anyone gonna take you serious? It don't even matter what law you practice. It don't matter which one you practice, you're gonna lose in all of them. Because of the way how you steer. People know you. You need to go get back your money from which part you go spend to go get your law degree. It never worth it. It never worth to blow out. It never worth it. Go back for your blood clot millions or 3 million, how much ever you fucking spend. You also cuss people. You have an education. How much education you got? Your education still not bring you no blood clot to it. Call look for you now. Watch you now. For me, if I go with education with you, trust me, rather stay dunce no blow out. I don't know how you say you're a liar and everybody in this blow out world disagree with you. You make money, hate you. You make money, hate you. How you gonna make man who's supposed to love you, hate you? How you gonna make man that's supposed to love you, hate you? You understand? Hate you. Fix up your talk, man. You see when you start fix up, people are going to call you pretty. You know, start call you beautiful. Fix up your attitude. Fix up your way of looking at life. Stop look down on people because they're not fortunate enough to have the big house and have this and that. Stop look down on people, man. You see when you stop to that, my girl, everything will work out right. You hear that? Big pussy with bum buckler, girl. I'm talking about the lady when they call me Skitty, the one with the nose and the mouth and the blood clot, bad attitude, the negativity what flows out of her mouth will come out her mouth every single day about people don't have it, people less fortunate. That's who I'm talking about. I'm talking about that lady, that wicked lady. That's who I'm talking about, Miss Kitty. She's a wicked woman, and there is no way that you will have anybody hire you as a representative for them. No fucking way. As soon as you walk in a court of justice, you are lucky because you're guilty. Everybody gonna jail say Kayo. Your attitude is very stink.
Go over to Eat Good TV, hit that subscribe button, tell them SouFLoTV sent you, and pick one of their meals and make it a treat day for your family. If you're tired of following these channels and the food never comes out like you expect it to come out because it's not authentic, then switch over to this authentic Jamaican channel that will cook the food and have you cooking the food in your own house like a real pro. I'm talking about Eat Good TV.
Very, 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 very stink. Yeah. Every blood clot, you make woman hate you. You make woman hate you, man hate you. Who the fuck are gonna like you, my girl? Go get back every money where you spend at the lawyer. Wait, law school. Get back every dollar. Listen to me, I gotta sign a petition for you get back every dollar. Then take back every education when they give you because it never worth it. They can't have so much people bumble clot disagree with them. Move your blood clot and go.
Want to suffer like you? Am I dumb? Ain't me look like this an idiot? Look how you suffer that butter.
We've come too far to give up. 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 Show love, hard to find.
If I were your baby, Kartel.
Show love, hard to find.
If I were your baby, Kartel. Damn thief, man, damn thief. Jesus Christ, man, kill him with the kid up. Jesus, damn thief, man.
Yardy Cashflow, ever gonna know my got that. Them gal up on my fuck cock and I spit like a fat black. Big 45 and roam like a tourist. Strike like a fire.
Relax and a skip up automatically. Ying that way I fly through traffic or run and
My SouFLoTV audience, stick a pin. Before we go any further, I want you to go over to Yardy Cashflow on YouTube. Hit that link in the description or spell it out in the YouTube search engine and go support this brother channel. We say support for support, right? And this is a brother right here who is doing his own thing in music, but he has also been a very big supporter of my platform right here on SouFLoTV for years. You understand? So when somebody support you for years, we return the favor when we build a little platform and get something for ourselves. So big up to Yardy Cashflow, alright? And go over to his channel by clicking the link in the description or by just typing in Yardy Cashflow. Hit that subscribe button when you get over there. It don't cost you nothing. And tell him that SouFLoTV sent you. Check out the rest of his songs. Leave your comments and all that stuff. Alright.
Yardy Cashflow, ever gonna know my got that. Them gal up on my fuck cock and I spit like a fat black. Big 45 and roam like a tourist. Strike like a fire.
Sometimes I think about my dogs who ain't get to graduate. Only thing they graduated was the heaven gates. Couple days before my beat day, brother passed away. And we weren't even on good terms, I ain't felt Saturdays. Long live my brothers. Sometimes I think about my dogs who ain't get to graduate. Only thing they graduated was the heaven gates. Couple days before my beat day, brother passed away. And we weren't even on good terms, I ain't felt Saturdays. So I can't let this pass me by, I gotta cast away. And they gon' act like they relate, don't know how action takes. Honestly, it ain't too many real ones after me. Lot on my mind, I hope my sister got that cancer beat. So they say, keep your head up, it's gon' get better. The stormy weather don't last forever. Keep your head up, I went on fed up. This stormy weather don't seem like it's ending. So fuck it, ain't going to court, I'm catching buckets. In the field with that still, if he got smoke, no we ain't ducking. Told her I ain't gangsta, I'm just lying to say I'm thuggin'. Cause the way them people raise me, dog, I just can't go for nothing. And my dog sitting in heaven, wish I could call to say I legit. But if heaven got a phone, so I done called and it don't function. Devil on my tracks and I've been running. But how long I'm gon' keep running? Keep your head up, it's gon' get better. The stormy weather don't last forever. Keep your head up, I went on fed up. This stormy weather don't seem like it's ending. Brother tryna put me on the plate, no knows I'm tryna do it the right way. But my pockets ain't been up in a couple months, I'm catching migraines. Arguing with my mom about her bills, oh girl, the light pay. Ain't even had no job, I was scamming, throwing a chunk change. My brother went up north back to his city, heard he but came back able with enough food for all our lunch trays. Money problem, health problems, and on death problems. Hit my knees and pray to God cause I can't seem to solve them. Contemplating L1s, I almost dropped the comma. Tryna feed my brother cause he tired of eating pasta. Contemplating L1s, I almost dropped the comma. Tryna feed my brother cause he tired of eating pasta. Keep your head up, it's gon' get better. The stormy weather don't last forever. Keep your head up, I went on fed up. This stormy weather don't seem like it's ending. Keep your head up, it's gon' get better. The stormy weather don't last forever. Keep your head up, I went on fed up. This stormy weather don't seem like it's ending.